I don't recognize today myself.
Ayaw niya. Or hopeless. Hoy, Papa, yung like... Nandito na si Sam. Kaya pala, guys, kasi andito siya. Good morning, guys. Alis siya. Maglalaro siya ng golf.
Is the light on golf?
I play golf.
Yeah, yeah, play
Well, that
golf.
got overnight, just went red.
Yung sugat mo. Say see you to Daddy.
Don't put your tongue at me. Don't.
Lola.
It's me, mate. I only have two.
Just
Just two.
just two. Hindi pwede silang
One
tatlo.
buggy.
Silang dalawa tapos dalawang
So, it won't
bag.
take long at all. It'll be very quick, I think.
It's just 18 holes.
Go to Bunnings, get this thing come home. We've got to take that and dump today.
Okay.
Get the needle today.
Get the needle.
Why?
Uh,
Come with me.
is it cold outside?
Oh, it's no wind. Alright, see you, babe.
See you, honey.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
TJ's having a span, he said.
Huh?
TJ said he's having a span.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Today is April 7. Oh my God. Yung mga kinuha nila yung ito yung breakfast nila, yung Cocoa Pops. And si Jan pala, yes, gusto nilang pumunta sa sari-sari store ko. Kasi ang tawag ni Jan doon ba sa kwarto ni Holly yung inayos ko mga groceries. Sari-sari store. Si Jan yeah. And si Jan ilang beses na siya doon nag-shopping, guys. Mga chocolates yung mga kinukuha niya. Yun nga, si Jan umalis siya kaninang umaga, mga around 8. Naglaro siya ng golf and may rules na dito na pag naglaro ng golf, dapat isa lang ang nasa bag, yung cart bag. So yung dalawa lang pwede na kaibigan. Dati kasi minsan 3, 4 sila. So ngayon dalawa lang sila pero magkahiwalay sila. Mayroon silang tig-isang baggy. And madalian lang daw sila kasi nga yung distance nga pinapractice na rin dito sa South Australia. And yeah, madalian lang daw yung paglaro niyang golf. Sabi ko, at least sabi ko, makakapaglaro ka pa, hindi pa tayo sinasabihan na wag talaga tayong aalis. Kasi pwede lang umalis pag kailangan talaga. Tsaka yun nga, yung pwede rin siya mag-golf. Sasangag ako. Kapag Monday, today is April 7, guys. Magsasangag ako kasi si Kuya, yun ang request niya, ang lunch. What do you want, Kuya, again?
Spam.
Gusto niya ng spam.
I want corn.
Corn?
Sweet corn.
Sweet corn. Kuha ko ng kasi magsha-shopping daw sila sa sari-sari store ko. So, kuha kami ng bag, grocery bag, para kunwari, magsha-shopping talaga sila. Kasi nga, magto 2 weeks na ata ako hindi nag-grocery. And nasabi ko ba sa inyo na magto 2 weeks, 3 times na yata, or 3 weeks na silang walang swimming. Okay, here's the bag. There's the rules. You have to get, you have to get what you want there. And tonight, you cannot go there, okay? Because that store is gonna shut, okay? Wait for mommy. Okay, dito sila sa aking sari-sari store. So, show me what you're gonna get.
Spam. Bacon.
Bacon.
This is Dad.
Oh, what's that?
Dad. Mom, can it be?
How many you get? Just get one, Kuya.
I got one spam.
Just
Anything.
anything. Yes, anything. Okay, put in the bag. Okay, ang tagal naman nito ni Sak mag-isip.
Wait, do we have to pay?
No, you don't have to pay.
One. You can only one.
Only one. Kasi pang matagalan natin yan. Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo mag-shop, mag-grocery. Hoy, you already had 2. Excuse me.
For Dad.
Oh, that's for Dad. And that's for who?
Holly and
That's for Holly and Kuya Sak and Kuya Tig. Okay, that's it, Baba. No, we still have honey.
Still got honey in the cup.
Yeah, we still have honey.
No, when you're finished.
Yeah, we still have honey.
Wait, what was that for?
Ang tagal ni Sak. Hurry up, Sak. Magsasara na ako. No, we still have.
Yeah.
Ah, vitamins. Okay, may isa pa yung vitamins. Wala na silang vitamins. I think so.
We still have it.
Yeah. Ang tagal. Si Sak talaga nakakapatagal dito. And what did you get last time, Kuya, here?
This.
What?
Yes.
Oo. Kumuha siya ng isang Hershey's na strawberry syrup. Ano na, Sak? Ang tagal niya mag-shop. You got lots of chocolates there. Just get some chips, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
And you have to share. You still have that one, right?
Yeah, that's finished.
Are you sure? Can you get the small one first?
Get that. And we'll take the...
We still have dip, Kuya.
Oh, it's grabbing a lot.
Hoy, Holly, put it back. You can... Oy, Hago. No. Stop. This is not real Coles. This is only mini store. No, you have... No.
Wait, one, two, three, for Dad.
No, that's already have there. No.
No, Dad didn't have it.
No. I'll get your other chocolates there. Sige.
Hey, can we take some Oz?
Fruit box? Yeah. We don't have fruit box. Ang lungkot na ng ano namin, guys. Ang lungkot ng aming fridge kasi wala ng yogurt. May dalawa na lang siguro. Wala. We don't have Yakult, right?
No, we don't.
We don't have Yakult.
And Holly wants some Fruit Loops. But we
Fruit
still
Loops?
have Fruit Loops.
Do we still have Fruit Loops?
Still got Fruit Loops.
We still have a little.
More.
Yeah.
No, I eat Fruit Loops a lot.
I know you eat.
More.
They're still there. Okay, check, Kuya.
His bag.
Kasi siya, paborito niya yung Fruit Loops and yun din ang kinain niya. What did you have for breakfast?
Cocoa Pops.
Oh, Cocoa Pops.
Fruit Loops.
Yeah, I know. Ano na, Zog? Ikaw na talaga. 5 minutes na tuksak. Ikaw ang nagpapat...
There's a quarter left.
Ha?
A quarter left.
Like, show me. Get it and show me. Kasi pag hindi pa ubos yun, hindi ko talaga kukunan sila ng...
Big massive thing.
Massive? What kind of massive?
Like these sizes.
Why don't you get the...
I want this.
Why don't you get the fita? Get the biscuits.
Hold this.
Tomorrow, no. It's still alright. Tomorrow you can still go shopping here tomorrow.
Hold this.
No. You're not gonna eat that yet. We have to eat lunch first.
Can it be Easter?
We have chocolates there. You have to be smart, okay? Be smart. We already have lollies, chocolate, and get some there. Look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Holly, you're done. It's Zachary's turn.
I have this.
Okay, later. Okay, you can get one each. Zach.
Wait, can I get this?
What's that one? No. Ikaw na talaga, Holly. This is not... No. This is not Coles Baba. Only little.
Wait,
Okay.
can I have these? I like them.
Do we have any? No, you have sweet corn, Kuya. No.
Oh yeah, sweet corn. that's
Yeah,
fine.
you already had...
Can
You
I
already
have
have...
one of these ones?
Of course not. Why, you gonna drink that? Hurry up, Zach. 7 minutes na tayo dito.
And I am holding it.
Oh, you have to share that because that's Kuya's favorite.
Yeah, I am holding it.
Ha! You have 2 minutes and 1 minute left, Zach. What do you want?
Sweet.
Hurry up, Zach. Magluluto. Wait, Kuya, later. Magluluto pa ako.
It's one.
You already have popcorn here, Zach. So you're gonna share that one. No, not chocolates because we got the chocolates.
I was just scared.
Just get this biscuit, I said. Because whatever is in here... No, biscuit. Because what... No. Because whatever is in here, Kuya... Zach! Vinegar talaga. Okay. And maybe I'll get the fita, the biscuit.
Thing.
No, the other one. The red one, please.
The red.
Fita. Fita, the red one. What is nga, Zach? Yes, that one. Okay. So, yan yung na-shopping
Oh,
nam.
the crackers.
Yeah, crackers. Okay. Oh, can you fix the pancake, please? I want like nice and neat. Come on. Okay, Kuya.
And the
M&M.
big one.
Okay, come on. That's it?
That's it.
Okay, put it in the bag. So, yan yung nag-grocery ni Kuya dito. Let's go! Ayan na yung nag-grocery nila.
Can you cook eggs with this pan?
Yes, yes. Gusto ni Kuya ng eggs. How about you, Holly? Do you want eggs? Naglalaro sila ng PS4. Malamig sa labas, guys. Pero naglaba ako.
Find spam.
Okay, ayan na. Diba, lapit ng cold? Okay.
Found it.
Okay, okay na. Magluto muna ako, guys. With fried rice. Oo, eto na. Yep. No fighting there, okay? Yeah? Yeah. This is lunch. So, magluluto muna ako ng lunch namin. And si Holly, ayan, sinuput away niya na yung mga nabili nila doon sa sari-sari store ko. So, gagawin namin itong everyday para excited sila everyday ba na mag-grocery o mag-shopping sila doon sa sari-sari store. Kasi dyan nagsabi noon, sari-sari store ni Chona daw, sabi niya. Or sari-sari store ni Mami, sabi ni Jan nung kumuha siya ng chocolate. So, eto, hanggang gabi na to na snacks nila. And meron pa kasi akong biscuit dito. Kaso, eto na rin natitira, yung teddies. Yung Oreos, ubos na nila. Ang bilis na maubos. Are you alright, Papa? Ano na, it's alright. Tingnan nyo, ang dalaga na talagang anak ko. Oh, tingnan nyo siya, oh. Inaalis niya yung mga nakalagay doon para ipasok si Fita. It's not gonna fit, Baba. Just put this one in the fridge. This one, the V8. Come on. So, magluto muna ako, guys.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are.
Okay, piprituhin ko na to. And magsasalad muna ako. And eto, yung Fita pala, guys, yung crackers. Ano siya, individual pala siya. Oh. Ganyan. So, ilalagay ko to dun sa... Not yet. We're gonna eat lunch first. Ilalagay ko mo. Hindi ko lang kung ilang piraso to. 20 pieces siya, guys. Na ganito. No, we're gonna eat lunch first. Okay? So, ilalagay ko yan dun sa... Kung saan yung mga biscuits.
Is it deep for?
Hmm?
Deep.
Deep. Yeah, wait. I'm gonna put...
Now. Let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so. Let's just take this back for a minute. We can.
Eto na yung lunch namin, guys. Ayan. And sabi ko sa kanila, ang gagawin nila is like yung ginagawa ni Lola sa Philippines na sila yung nagsasandok ng pagkain nila. Yes, baby. That's good. Okay. Come on. Kuya Sak. Parang, kainin na yung Sak, over there, Sak. Sak.
Holy Spirit, Jesus.
Amen. Pa have to use, sabi ko sa kanila, may serving spoon. You have to wait. Yeah. Oh. Good job, Holly. Good.
Didn't have a single bucket.
I think that is here.
Daddy!
Yeah, okay, but you have to eat
And Daddy has to fix these shit. And we have to eat our lunch.
after you eat lunch.
Yeah, and we have to go home.
Yeah. And then si Jan pumunta ni Yes?
I need to cut the... No, Dad's not...
Kuya,
No, it's already been. Yeah?
do you want to cut the eggs for
Hey,
Holly?
Holly, you want some of these?
Yes, what you gonna say, Holly?
I had a bite.
Yes, please, Kuya, and thank you.
Try what? It's good.
Yummy, right? It's like Lola. Is it like Lola in the Philippines, Kuya?
Yep.
Namimiss nila yung breakfast sa Philippines. Pero yan, lunch nila yan. Request ni Kuya. Wow, yum!
Yum.
Yum, Zach? Use your fork. Zach, tingnan mo si Zach.
And now what? I don't get
Si Sit down, kuya. Ito si kuya. Who request that food?
Me.
Yeah, Kuya TJ. Special request niya yan.
Oh, the last one.
Yeah. And yung fruits namin, pa konti na lang. Yung orange, ubos na. And yung grapes, paubos na rin. Kasi magto 2 weeks na yata. Ako 2 weeks na mahigit. Hindi ko na alam kung kailan yung last grocery ko. Dandan sa...
Can we only have one every time? Just one.
We have to, kuya. Especially now, we have to because we don't have much eggs. Kunti na lang yung eggs na natitira namin dyan.
Mom.
Yes?
Tommy has some.
Ha?
It's just like a Tommy.
Tommy? Well, yeah, but maybe Tommy give it to their family because they cannot go shopping. Sabi ni Kuya, pwede lang kami humingi sa kapitbahay. Sabi ko, baka ibigay naman yung sa family nila. Ha? Ayan.
Oh, I turn on the line.
Is it really good?
Yep.
Na-miss nila to eh.
Thank you.
Ha?
I spilled one, Mom.
A little bit. That's why you don't squeeze, Baba.
I will. I like this.
Excuse me, Baba. You want me to cut your spot?
No, thank you.
You right?
I was trying to eat it like
You can
Yes.
bite? Okay. Ako, ang kakainin ko ay yung niluto ko kahapon. Si Jan, kuhaan ko siya ng mamaya. Tanong ko siya. Nandiyan na siya. How did you go? Ang bilis mo. How did you feel? Good? Did you go to Bunny's?
Nah.
Why?
We've got a town trial.
Why?
Oh, what are you eating, boys?
It's lunch now. Lunch.
Right.
And they went to grocery today.
Oh,
They have a Coast bag and
When?
today. In my sari-sari store.
second down one little chair.
And Holly get you something.
I said you'd buy Daddy
She
something.
buys you M&M's.
It's not M&M, it's kind of... Yeah, hindi siya M&M. So Aldi ko yung nabili.
I said, he's down. Well, that's how that turned out.
Ewan ko sa'yo dyan. Ay,
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are.
yeah, we got your lollies. Pumunta si Jan dun sa sari-sari store ko. Sabi ko, wag siyang kukuha ng kahit ano kasi bukas na ang next grocery.
You hungry?
Naman si Kuya. Ang sarap, guys. And ayan na lang yung... Wala na.
Eat egg pop.
Eat, Baba.
I want to cut this. Hey!
Come on.
Nice.
What do you want for dinner, Han? Naman si Kuya.
Oh.
What do you want? Steak? What do you want? Tomorrow we can have fish tomorrow, huh? I know. That's for Friday. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong lulutuin ko sa kanya. Tapos na silang kumain and ayan. Papakita nila yung mga nakuha nila sa sari-sari store.
Why? Why? I'll put it in there. Holly.
Ayan na guys, oh.
Here, Holly, here.
Yan na lang yung natira.
Here.
Fruits, tsaka sinangag.
I'll do it.
Si Holly, mayroon siyang konti. Kainin ko yan. Sayang yun.
Put it up there.
Kinani. Gustong-gusto nila tong lollies, oh.
Open your
Open
mouth.
it, please.
Go. Sit it in there. No, that's not right.
Parang pustiso.
It's up under the gum.
Let me see, Han. Daddy, open it for him, please. Diba? Hoy, save it for tonight. Because you're not coming back there tonight, today.
Hey, banana in there.
Yeah.
Ollie.
That's easy, Sat. You just have to do this.
I want to have a look at myself.
Wait, ayan yung laman niya. Para siyang M&M's.
Oh.
It looks like M&M's, son. From Germany. Nabili ko yan sa Aldi. So, maghuhugas ako. After ko maghugas, magsasampay ako kasi nag-load ako ng mga
Coke bowl.
labahan. Good, Zach? Let me know, okay? Hindi pa ako tapos maghugas, guys. Kausap ko yung kapatid ko. And, andito yung mga bata. Nagra-ride sila ng buggy. Han, when you gonna go to the dump? 3 o'clock. And, slow down, ha? Slowly. Slowly. And, nasa ano to eh, nandyan to sa, dyan ba? Tinanggal ni dyan kasi nga, dinala niya yung buggy. So, mamayang alas 3, pupunta sila sa, ano, sa dump. Hoy, careful. Careful, Zachary, ha? Sihan. May pupuntahan siya. Hili nga sa tulo, oh. Careful. Ayun sa tulo. Slowly stack, ha? Holly's in there. Han, it's gonna rain? Huh? Because I have clothes to hang. Yeah. Oh, maybe I'll hang it here. Oh, careful. Come on, Zach. Be careful, please. Holly, sit down. Sit down, Holly. No. Sit down. PJ. Let her sit down, okay? Honey, tell them just sit down, please. Maghugas na ako. Tapusin ko na yung hugasan ko doon. Nag-change ako ng battery. Nalobat kayo. Ayun si kuya. Si kuya ang papasok sa garahe. Ay, dito sa shed. Careful, ha? Holly. Careful, ha? Slowly, kuya. Wait. Tinturuan na si kuya mag-drive. Wow, good job, kuya. Oops. Straight. Yes, he is. Straight the wheel. It's alright now. Straight now, kuya. Turn.
Turn other way.
Other way.
Turn.
Okay.
Turn. Straight.
Good job, kuya. More straight, kuya. A little bit.
Bit more. Bit more. Yep.
Good job.
Straight.
Good job. Wow, para ka na rin nag-drive lesson, kuya.
Mom, what's this?
Dito sila, Tommy. Ayun yung mga manok nila, oh. Para sa mga eggs, yung chooks. Okay, I'm gonna wash the dishes now. Baba, come on, it's cold.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are. No. Let's not make it hard.
Katatapos ko lang maghugas. And kanina pa sila dito sa kung ano-anong laro nang ginawa nila. Kanina nasa swing sila at saka nasa trampoline. Ngayon naman, wow, that was good hit, Holly. Ngayon naman, golf naman. Ang layo ng bola ni Holly. Andoon, oh. Careful. Yeah, wait for Kuyas. And, ayan, magsasampay na ako. Okay, I'm watching you now. Zachary, TJ, look at Holly. Good job. Ayan. Pag tapos na mahit, sabay-sabay sila dun maghahabolan para kunin yung bola nila. Kuya! Can you get that bench for me, please? So, magsampay muna ako. Ay, si Holly. Inutusan ko yung dalawa na ibalik yung bench dito. Dito yan eh. Kasi kahapon, di ba, nag-cut ng grass si Jan. Dinagay nila doon. Tumutulong din si Holly. Ha? Blood? Who? Why? What happened? It's alright, come on. Dumudugo yung lips ni Kuya kasi dry. Put Vaseline, Kuya. So, dito lang sila pag hindi umuulan tsaka hindi masyadong malamig. Medyo malamig nga eh. Kasi medyo may hangin na konti. So, magsampay muna ako. Baba, careful! TJ, watch out ha, Holly.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are. No, no, no. Let's not make it.
Tapos na ako magsampay. And kanina pa si Jan dito. And practice ni Kuya yung natutunan niya kahapon na doon ba sa coach niya, yung golf lesson niya kahapon, practice nila. And ngayon, footy naman sila. And si Holly, nagpa-practice. Good shot, Baba. Meron si Holly parang command bago niya i-hit yung bola. Huh? Nothing, Baba. Show them, Baba, how good you are, Baba, hitting the balls. Pakinggan niyo siya, ha?
Watch out!
Alright. Wow! Good job, Baba.
Can you hit that?
No, I can't, Baba. And, linagay na rin ni Jan yung mga basura sa, sa trailer. Kasi mamayang alas 3, pupunta sila sa dump. Si Jan lang siguro. Good job, honey. Good job. And ako may tutupin ako. Ilang araw na rin yun dun sa naghihintay sa akin. Wow, you got a lot there, Papa. Sana wag umulan. Sabi niya hindi naman uulan, pero makulimlim. Sana nga wag umulan. Good job, Kuya. Good job. Good job, Holly. You see that? Puti tapos gold dito. Good job, Baba. Good job. Who said to say that word, Baba? Kuya TJ?
Just like this. Tick, tock.
Tick-tack.
Tock. Well done.
Well done. Tick-tack pala. Turo sa kanya ni Kuya. Oh, careful, Zach!
Out the ball!
Careful, Baba. Wait, Baba. Good job. See the honey. You're doing good now, Baba. What are you wearing today? Undies or panty?
Nothing.
Ah! You cannot find undies? Hindi raw siya.
Top.
Hindi niya raw mahanap yung panty niya. Nandun, ang daming panty daw nakasampay. Good job. Oh, save me, Han.
Watch the ball. Hit the ball, then look up.
Okay, one more, Baba.
Don't go.
I'm going. I'm gonna fold the clothes. I am going. Oh, you have to watch the ball.
Watch the ball.
Good job, see? I'm going now. Hurry up. Alright. Last one, okay? Oh, good job, Kuya. Ay, Dad.
That's it, Baba.
Wow. Okay, Baba. Good job. Well done, Sak. Nakatch ni Sak, ha? Ha? Bye. Bye na siya, guys. Oops. Sana wag umulan. Uy, Zachary, don't you dare. Lalambitin na naman ni Sak yung sampayan. Oh! Catch it! Oh! Good job, Sak! Wow, Holly! Wow. Grab it! Hindi sila nilalamig. Ako nilalamig. Ang lamig-lamig na ng kamay ko. Sabay nagtatatakbo sila. You're right, Baba? You're gonna pick all that balls, Baba? Oh! Mamaya, gutom na naman ang mga to. Oh! Oy, Kuya, careful! Hindi na sila nakakapag-bike sa labas simula noon. Ilang weeks na rin. Simula nung kinuha namin sila sa school, no, hindi na namin sila pinapapasok nung basta Tuesday yun kasabay ng Melbourne, hindi na sila nagbabike. Dito na lang talaga sila sa loob. Good job, Kuya! Show me some, Zachary. Tic-tac show. Tic-tac! Good job. Ang dami ng bola, oh. Go, Kuya. Okay, Zach, go. Oh! Oh! You be careful, you two. Kayo siya. Sali! Don't use your nails, TJ. Let me see. Tyron, don't use your nails, huh? Especially on the face.
I got hit like 3 times now. One from Parker, one from him.
Be careful because that's gonna be scars. TJ! Oh, ayan, pinip. 6 minutes na to. Go, Baba. Pinipick up niya yung mga balls. Good job, baby girl. You have a lot to pick. Good job.
Snap it. Hold the ball.
Uh-oh. Hoy, don't do that, Kuya. Hindi ko alam saan ako titingin. No, ha? I am. Did you not on the face, please? Good job. Okay, I'm gonna fold the clothes now. Hi. Kuya, let me... Ay. Watch out for Holly. Wow, good job, Kuya. Wow, kayak! pa ako nakapagtupi, guys. Kasi kausap ko pa yung aking kapatid. And nga, si Jan tsaka yung mga bata, alis na sila. See ya! Bye, Saki! Bye! Ayan, no, dadali nila yan sa... Bye, Zak! Sa dump. Kasi alas 3 ang bukas, so magtutupi na. Totoo na to, magtutupi na talaga ako. Alas 3, bye!
I try to relax, I can't even catch my breath. So fly and sex, you're sugar free but candy color. Eyes complex, your own is on but you want more. You know I'm direct and I need you to let him go. Ooh, if I come right, will you let me take you back home? Ooh, when the time's right, will you let me have more? I can't take it no more. I wanna break down them doors and
Tapos na ako magtupi, nanonood ako ng yung kay Kim pinapakita niya sa inyo kasi pinakain na siya ng daddy niya ng bubble gum. What you gonna do with that one after? Huh?
Spit outside.
Yeah, spit it outside. Yung mga boys, kanina pa sila nandito. After nila pumunta doon kung saan nila nilagay yung mga basura. Nakaligo na sila. Oy, wash your clothes, Sak! Nakaligo na sila. Ayun, no. And, okay, put that in my bedroom, Baba. So, i-close ko na yung vlog, guys, kasi magluluto ako ng kanin. And then, yung dinner namin ay yung niluto ko kahapon sa Chona's Kitchen. Ayan. Ito ang ulam namin. And magsasaing lang ako ng kanin. So, close ko na yung vlog, guys. Thank you! Sana wag kayo magsawa kakapanood sa amin. Kahit wala kaming mga ganap. Dahil dito lang naman kami sa bahay. And yung mga bata, first time nila, since nung pinull out namin sila sa school, first time nila go outside na kasama ang daddy nila. Pero hindi naman sila lumabas ng car nung pumunta sila dun sa basurahan. Baba, let's close the vlog! So, first time nila, ang tagal na. Hoy, Baba, come on! Come on, let's close it. Thank you, guys!
Thank you, guys.
Please like.
Please like. How see ya? See you next vlog.
Say B.
Be safe. And
Be-
how do you wash your hands?
No. yes.
How do you wash your hands like that? And this,
Yeah.
and then, and how do you say happy birthday to Dad?
Yeah, be safe and stay
Home.
home. Good night, guys. Kasi anong
Good
oras na?
night, guys.
Yeah. Pamanggihan kung sabi ko magsayang na ako kanina. Hi, guys. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause